circle in the middle.
Alright, I'm live. Oh my god, I got scared of this over
Are
there.
you really filming now?
Yes, I'm really filming now.
It won't be live!
Look at this Asian girl. Okay.
I'm a Kadorian. He's lying. He's lying. Are you gonna post this?
No,
I'm gonna post it.
no.
Please.
Fine.
Yay! Anyways, I'm pressing it up. Hey, did I just really get that on camera?
Yeah, I think so. But I went really fast, so I might have blurred it out. I don't know what to do. I don't know what you did.
Anyways, it's really fast.
They could hear you. What are they doing over there? Focus camera. Come on, focus! Oh my God, it's not focusing. The camera's not focusing.
Focus on me. Maybe it needs like something to focus on.
Focus.
Wait, stay still. Will it focus on me?
Ew, it's uglier. Alright. Oh guys, I think the fireworks are done. Oh my god.
Is the big one gonna come out?
I think the fireworks are done.
No.
No. Okay.
Those are over there.
It's not fine.
There's probably gonna be more like because they like to celebrate 4th of July.
Oh.
No, there's more over there. Like over there. You see the fog over there?
Oh, what's over there? Oh my god. Focus. I'm gonna get this. Oh my god. What is that thing? No. Oh.
I thought you were. I mean, Angel React.
Oh, where
the road.
Where is the?
Where's the?
Where's the fireworks? Oh, it's over there. It's over there. Go, 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 go. Ah, shit. It's too late. I guess try it next time.
See you next time, God. Peace out.
I'm gonna change that name. No, I'm not gonna do that.
Yo, you saw that big firework? Oh my God.
Oh, there you go. I found it. Can you really hear it anymore? Hey,
That's an ugly Asian girl.
where is it over there? Oh, I guess that's it.
No, come over here. That's when it's over here. It's over here, but you can't get behind the tree. No, over there. No, I saw it. I saw one. No, there's no.
Oh, I don't know where it is.
Looks like I'm scared. I'm not scared. Fireworks! Yay, my culo!
No, you were like screaming about it.
More fireworks!
Can't tell you about it.
Come on, fly. Hi, I'm an ugly Asian girl, like he said. Camera didn't even.
Went on you.
Look over there. Ah! Fireworks!
Turn it around. Just in case you get hit. Not now. Oh, there was a firework over there. I missed it.
Can we go over there without my mom or someone else?
No, I don't think we're on. I'm not going because I don't want to. Oh my god. That's bad. Okay, there we go. There's no more fireworks. tuned. Wow. There you go. I'll find it. Alright. That was the last show. Thanks for watching it.